Khun Si Waterfall. Samui is situated amongst the mountains and durian plantations of Samui. The views of Koh Phangan are stunning. Tiered boulders and the rocks with water cascading form the small natural pools in the rocks. Cool water flows into the pools, perfect for a cooling dip in the heat of the day. The climb to Khun Si Waterfall is not the easiest walk, but worth the challenge. The surroundings of thick lush jungle and durian plantations make it a perfect spot for peace and quiet. You can wander through the durian plantations, but do not pick them, it is private land. The durian fruit, although popular on the island, has a distinctive foul odor. Advice: be cautious, underfoot rocks are slippy over the tree roots, rocks and boulders. Check water depth and underwater rocks before jumping into any of the pools. Fitness levels are important, the climbs are slippy and steep. Do not climb waterfalls alone or in the dark. What you need for Khun Si Waterfall Samui: camera, video, towel, sensible shoes, not flip-flops, drinking water, mosquito spray, swimwear, optional, money, baht.